We have done a couple of videos on writing fractions as decimals. So this is kind of your test paper. I'd like you to copy these questions, do it yourself, and then check with my answers. The question is, how to write fractions as decimals? And really, you need to explain how to write following fractions as decimals without using calculator, right? Easy way out is definitely using calculator. You can always check your answer using calculator. Now let us see how to write them as decimal numbers. So whenever we are given fractions, if we could write denominator as multiple of 10, then it is easy to write it as a decimal. Now in the first case, we have 11 over 20. Now 20, if you multiply by 5, what do you get? Times 5 will give you 100. So that's the whole idea, right? So times 5 will give you 100. So we can change the denominator to 100 by multiplying by 5. You should do the same with numerator also. So we get 55 in the numerator. And once we get something over 100, it's easy to write this in decimals, right? So you have to shift 2 decimal places, and then you can write this as 0.55, right? So that is how you could do it. So dividing by 100 really means decimal is here. It has to be moved 2 units, correct? So that's how you get it. Now the next one is 7 over 5. Well, this time you can multiply by 20, both numerators and denominator. And so what do you get? 20 times 5 is 100 and 140 in the numerator. Well, you were expecting something more than 1 since numerator is higher than denominator, and that's what you got. So it is equals to 1.40. How do you get that part? When you divide by 100, you move the decimal 2 spaces left, making the number smaller because you're dividing by 100. So you get 1.40. The last one for you, which I will do, and these 3 you need to copy and do it yourself. How many quarters are there in a dollar? 4 quarters. That's a good way of doing it, right? So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. 8 times 4 is 32, and 25 times 4 is 100. And this could be written as 0.32, correct? Why 0.32? Because when you divide by 100, decimal moves 2 units to the left. Imagine this decimal is right there after 2. So it moves 2 places and you get 0.32. You can apply this method and write down the answers for D, E, and F, which is 3 over 2, 9 over 20, and 1 over 100. Thank you.